Hi, I'm Tim with Performance Plus Karts, and today we're going to install this carbon fiber dash into this 2012 EZGO RXV. The tools you're going to need is a Torx 30 bit, a standard flat blade screwdriver, and a pair of needle nose pliers. First, we'll remove the screw cover plate on the passenger and driver side. Then we'll remove the bottom trim of the dash on the left and right side. Once that's completed, we'll remove the inner bottom trim that holds the golf balls. Then we'll remove the 4 screws off of the original dash. With those 4 screws out of the dash, we're going to put the screw through the end of the cylinder where the threads will stick out the end, and we'll reinstall them back into where they came from in the original dash. Then we'll simply snap the new dash onto the pegs that we just installed. Finally, we'll reinstall the lower outside dash trim. That will sandwich the new dash in between the actual cart and the old dash. And that's it, installation complete. For more information, please visit our website, www.performancepluskarts.com.